Water moves in a wide arc, gathering speed as it nears the edge. This is Niagara Falls, on the Canadian side. A single, massive curve, called Horseshoe Falls, pours endlessly into the river below. The drop is powerful, but smooth. White foam rises from the base. Spray drifts outward. The sound bounces off the cliffs. From above, the water folds over itself. The cliffs are dark. The sky wide. Everything moves as one. Even from a distance, its presence is undeniable. A living water wall that never stops.